Hello folks, welcome back to Outdoors with Mike. Another cooking show for you. Been working, been busy. We got moose meat and craft dinner. We got some fresh moose meat from my friend Raymond Martel. Thank you, Raymond. We got it cooking here. It's coming along. Oh, nice. Tender meat.
Red and juicy.
Oh yeah, Avril said how red and juicy it is.
It's like fresh.
It's fresh moose. Raymond got it. Well, there's our craft dinner coming along. Another simple meal. Moose meat. It's gonna be so delicious. Stay tuned. It's getting started, folks. Wow. Look how red that meat is. Cool. Yeah, been busy, been working. We'll get a simple meal for you and it'll be very delicious. It smells.
It smells really good.
Oh, it smells really good?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Fresh
It's
moose
soft too. See? You just break it with this thing. Soft.
Whoa. Nice.
Water's boiling.
I want to get some dip. I'll steal some dip. Natural gravy. Oh. Oh, she's letting me this once. Take the opportunity. Oh, a little bit of salt going in. For the craft dinner. How many are you gonna put in? We're not sponsored by Craft Dinner. Four craft dinners going in. Cooking for 7.
4 will usually fit, 7 plates.
Yeah, it's coming along, folks. Looks gonna be so delicious. Cooking moose meat and craft dinner for supper.
Cooking with Avril.
Cooking with Avril and Michael style. Yeah, cool. I'm gonna put some salt on my gravy. Natural gravy dip. Yep. Continuing on. It'll be so delicious. Melt in your mouth. Oh, some oil's going in. Craft dinner's coming along. We got the first plate of moose meat ready. Cooking for 7. Oh, it's gonna be delicious. Fresh moose meat. Busy work weeks. Oh, much needed energy. Been picking garbage. Never ending. Get to cut some grass. Oh, it's gonna be delicious, folks. Melt in your mouth. Mmm. Oh, craft dinner too. Melt in your mouth. Nice.
It's not supposed to melt, you're supposed to chew it.
Chew in your mouth. Okay, coming along, craft dinner, folks. Nice. Cooking for 7. Oh, the second batch of moose meat is coming along.
How about you get 7 plates ready and shut that
Oh, that's too much work. Okay, I got call to duty. Got to get the 7 plates. Alrighty. Continuing on. Yeah, we got it stirred up ready, folks. Now we're time to churn our moose meat. Our natural gravy. Again, oh, fresh moose. Tender. Very delicious. Cooking for 7. Or was it 8? I think it was 7 last time I count. Oh, nice. Alrighty. Just about done, folks. Nice. Okay, folks, a little bit of butter Avril put in. Some milk. The moose meat coming along. Looks good. And the cheese is going into the kraft dinner. Yep. We'll get the cheese in there. We're gonna put in 4. Yep. Nice view from right there. 3, 4.
Stir it, Mike. I'll stir it with Mike.
I'll stir it for you. Oh, melt in your mouth. Again, folks. It's going to be very delicious. Moose meat, it always tastes good with any ciders dish. Kraft dinner will get cheesy here. Get it mixed up. Alright, folks, we'll get it mixed up. Kraft dinner. Very easy, simple meal. And our moose meat's coming along. We'll get that churned up and cooked. And there is our moose meat. The first batch. I ate a couple. The meat is very tender. Nice. Thank you again, Raymond Martel. Awesome. Meat. Alright, we'll get it plated up and we'll taste the meal, folks.
There's a salt, wait.
Okay, folks, the meal is done. We'll try it out. Right there. Sit you back down. We'll put some butter. Oh, look at that. We'll get some butter. Where are you? Right there. Put some butter on. Get some of that natural gravy. Right there. We'll dip that in. Oh, put a little bit too much butter, but that's okay. We'll have that here. We'll put salt on it. There's our plate. And we'll get some kraft dinner on. Whoa, on the side. Then we'll get some meat. We'll get a couple meats. Alrighty, folks. Let's try it out. On the table. Hello, folks. Okay, the meal is done. Kraft dinner and moose meat. Oh, courtesy of Raymond Martel. We'll put some salt on it. Oh, nice. And we'll get some of our natural moose meat gravy dip, some salt on that. Yeah, we'll try this one. Been working. Busy work weeks. All right. Good supper. Very hot too. Summertime heat. Oh, Avril's cooking again. Yeah. No, look at that moose meat. Nice. Very tender. Just melts in your mouth. Oh. Kraft dinner is always good, folks. Yeah. Yeah, nice. Look at that. Very cheesy, tasty. So good. One more bite for you, folks. Moose meat. Here you go. Nice. The texture is just beautiful. One more bite of kraft dinner. Very delicious in our moose meat natural gravy dip. Alright folks, that concludes our short video. Craft dinner and moose meat. Hope you enjoyed this video. Been busy working, work weeks are busy now. Glad you enjoy the channel. Please subscribe to Outdoors with Mike. Just trying to create content that people would like to see. See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye for now. Hey, I wanted that.
What?
That.
It's too late.
Oh no, it's all gone. Cooking for 7. You ate it up, my daddy.
I didn't.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you. Bye.